pound. We're not talking about the pay. But
well,
when
give
you
me
come
a
on street,
Jamaican tonight, so you have to talk about it. You can't
talk about the Jamaican when I drop on her, if you say, spend this money. Do if you want to give fans, give fans. If you want to do a money, pull up, pull up. If you want to give fans 20,000, if you want to give 30,000, pull up, just spend money. When we give Queenie the money, Queenie say rich.
RT, I love you. RT, let me tell you something. RT, you're miserable still in the RT.
I'm miserable.
We
Queen,
know me, I tell you every part about you.
No,
Now give just a nice
all right.
you're miserable, you know.
I could try the case. So, people, tell me if I'm miserable. Me and all of we got to dance.
No, we're not
We dance.
talking about the dance.
No, me know why Queenie said that. Listen. So we got to dance, I pay for my table. I pay 4,000 for the table. The bartender, them supposed to bring the liquor. I stand up in that dance 1 hour half, no the liquor can't come. That look rich? Me order 152,000 out of liquor. The liquor can't come. When the girl come, hear her to me. I say, why you take so long? Because me take long and the selector call and say, RT, need the bartender over there. Queenie come to me and say, Lord, oh, you're miserable. I say, no, Queenie, but we there so long. That no look good for we there so long with 2 empty tables. When the girl come to me, she say, then can't send out so much liquor one time without the money. So I say, why you never tell me? So I give her the money same time and the liquor come. So I tell Queenie, say, I'm miserable, but I can't come and dance 1 hour and an empty table stand up in front of me.
But me blush. Why stop leave me on my blush after me now borrow phone of blush. RT nice time. Me telling about RT now, yeah? You see our team full of principle and care and I like that. You see him defense of being who him is. Him coming like me. RT had a man virgin of me. Him cantankerous because he might protect himself. But I'm telling you something right crazy. See 3 days, yeah, are real rich. RT pay me in a pound, he pay me in a US and he pay me in a Jamaican. Him both I tell him to RT name King Boss. King Boss RT. Yeah, man.
I'm March, man.
What date?
March 11.
RT. I caught my PayPal fat with them to RT, man, I got nowhere. You know, Queenie there at Jamaica, you need to come promote your song and come out at night time. The people that Mr. RT, I am not going anywhere. I stay in my bed. RT just called me next day and said, Queenie, I'm gonna pay you to come out tonight. How much you charge to promote? I want you to promote Ben. Ben is coming out this Friday. Bumbo. Hey, you're a real King Boss. I love that. I like that. Money make the mayor run. And you know, Uncle Talk RT, every money you take care of the whole heap of police, them where you employ, the whole heap of people, them. I rate that. I see that. I tell the man them a while ago, say, you know what? I can't talk and boast for RT. Because I live it with them, I see it with the real deal. Yeah, man, I respect that. I'm a lover, you have the police, them a follow back at me, I'm just run to let them bomb clat and
all right, let's start about that. I'm glad you bring it up. Blood can't turn nowhere. No matter how I tell Queenie, say, we have security there, so you just need to stand up and Queen wave and everybody's there. Queenie can't turn away. You know what I have to do? I have to tell them to follow Queenie out that door. One at a time, Queenie there on the stage. Queenie has to make like a dance. Queen, hey, let me tell you something. Nobody can talk that. Queen, every dance me go Queenie take it. It makes sense. Queenie take every dance me go. She there on stage. She take picture. One at a time I say, Queenie, you don't feel like you take too much picture. I'm the queen. I'm royal. I'm greeting the fans.
RT can't find me. RT said the 2 policemen.
One at a time I can't find Queenie. Everybody know where Queenie there. Them can't find Queenie. So I say, well, go and look for Queenie.
If I want to see people that I run, go hug them up. That's just me. It's hard, you know, RT. It's hard to really. Remember, I'm down 30 now. The people them love me. And when the people them show me nice energy, I just run, go hug them up with the blood.
I want to can't tell you. You see, once when I say Queenie, she just hug up and take picture. I couldn't control Queenie, so what I have to do, I have to put one in security them for control Queenie. Queenie they everywhere. Queenie, I make it a joke. I tell all like people, all like party people, pick up on the set, send in some fire. All like real people, no party like Queenie. I make it a joke. So every party I go, I have to use 2 tables. 1 table for liquor and the Uga. every party me go. Queenie, if you notice when Queenie video, Queenie not stay with the table, Queenie stay in front of the table. So you know, say for me, set the liquor them, you know, say me they in front of the table. So Queenie not bad with me there. So when Queenie stay in front of the table, and Queenie live for the liquor them, is bad in the dance? Queenie take fear phone, every table Queenie rest the life. So now to big up Queenie when you see Queenie I do look early man life. Queenie walk from table to table to down her life. And when I see people them now, me say CCK, say
Man, for me,
everybody understand her.
girl, man, cause some hot girl in our party, some have to walk around and be there. But RT, tell them about when they send for the cheer for me. RT said, come on.
Alright, so watch you know. Queenie, me there one boat ride. Me say CCK, where Queenie there? Then Queenie in a boat. When me look, Queenie in a boat. When me look through the glass in a boat, one long line. So me say, somebody not pay Queenie here, so I know one line for see Queenie. One long line. So me say, security, tell Queenie, say, the boat is not applicable. Me I give her a cheer, come on, the boat. Queenie, you know, Queenie not take talk. Queenie not left yet. Me have to send 8 police. I me say, lift up her barrel, me have a cheer. You see when the 8 of them
If
come,
every minute
that
RT send one different man for me. Me sit down in our boat and cock up my
she
foot
no
there.
listen. Queenie no listen.
Every minute RT, so when the last somebody come, me just hold on pan them and go, let me look at one chair RT having a corner for me.
Queenie,
I just say RT, me don't
everybody
want to
know
sit down
Queenie
over
not
there.
listen, but me know if work with her. Queenie, listen, let me tell you from now. Queenie, name lady gangster, but Queenie no listen. But me know if work with her. She no listen. Queenie no listen. You know what, me say, you what I officer to them to me. But boss, me can't left you. Me say, no, you are the main one. And me tell her, I say, you are the main one. So if she not come now, me go for her. And the last security, bring her to me.
I know that really unruly. Here what happened now. Remember, I'm hyperactive, you know. So see, by the time me say I'll do somebody over there, so me and them I like camera run go over there, go Queen over and kick out my foot and something. Me see 3 more somebody to the left. I just me that in it.
All right, Queenie, clarify this again to your 700 people. Because me see them disrespect me. Them disrespect me with mackerel when we do the thing with mackerel. And mackerel are idiot because mackerel never clarified. So I want you to clarify it again because you keep on and repeat it. So one more time under my remit. Tell the people them say you are working with me for Ben and it is not free promotion. It is extra and rich. Tell them again.
Tell the people them say you employ me for 3 days and you give me over 800,000 Jamaican dollars. Ask them if they want hear more than that. Yeah? Over 800,000 Jamaican dollars for 2, 4, 6, 800, over 800 for 3 days. Real rich. That is rich. That is what you call boss rich.
Remember say
RT
me
boss
can't tell
rich.
Queen. Hello. Remember me can't tell Queen if you talk for me because when you vex with me blood clot, him over
But in
clot.
my PayPal RT. Remember since I you bring 50 pounds, you give me 50 pounds when you come 50,000 and say, Queen, this is Jamaican money. Me I say, Bumbo clot. Hey, money really make them here running the RT. Yes, when I said to Mr. Queen, you know, yeah, idiot. You know, I make money, you need to come out and that time. I'm the RT, me do not, me not going nowhere. Me love that though. Me love how you draw me out and I like where you stand. Me appreciate you, I swear. It's good. Nice hospitality, you make sure it's good. And you know what sweet affair? You pay me my big fat bomber clot, bomber blood clot money in my PayPal. Documentary, there. Remember this morning, yesterday morning when you left in a year in a Queenie, me I got PayPal your money in a box. The service now pick up. By the time I go in the car, I said to Shane Brown and Joby says, so RT said the PayPal now pick up and the money reach me. Bomba blood clot. King boss.
Are you fit
RT
talk?
already get so much
If
money
me
now.
talk, them gonna say I hype, me hype.
Eh?
If me talk, them gonna say me too hype because remember me hype already.
Me don't tell the man them since morning, so me say listen. No bumper
Oh,
world
stop.
can't tell me
Slow
nothing
down.
about RT. Me just have a
Let me say
talk
this.
back and boast about RT.
You
It
hear
is
she
really
said she have
true.
a crew. Let me rewind. Because she said that. Queenie have her
I'm a
crew. when I
Crew
put
get
Queenie
paid different